Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I don't have much time, so we're going to try to get this done as fast as possible. We're going to be using the bushings out of the top of these two shocks here. And with these shocks, these are going to be the shocks we actually use. Because I think they're the nicest. Yeah, plus down here, so it looks like that's pretty loose. But these bushings up here look good, so that's why we're going to use these. And I'm not really looking to spend a lot of money on it either. And I figured just something to replace these, because these look pretty gone, if you ask me. So yeah, we're going to get that done, and yeah, get you on time lapse now.
roads and up in the clouds. much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Alright YouTube, so here we go. Chain is on. Again, it's 116 tooth chain. And I'll even give you right here. I got the 116 gold chain. Again by Moose Racing. Not too bad. So there's another toy fixed. Again, we got the new seat on here, which took forever. And look at how solid it is back here, nice and solid. Last year we put the new brake on it, and that is holding up rather well, actually, considering I made it like that. We have to modify the end over here just a little bit, but that shouldn't be a problem at all. If anything, I might end up cutting it, but for now it should be fine. So again, now we got this going, this going. These should still be good. I'm not gonna tune them up yet. I'll wait till the summertime. This is gonna get a tune up next. And then the Harley. Otherwise we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things fully running right now. The go-kart will be next. This is gonna be a little bit more of a project though than I was originally expecting. And oh yeah, we got projects on projects you guys haven't even heard me talk about yet. Let me grab a new battery, and that's all I got for this video. There's the mini bike. Not too bad. Not too bad.